Celebrations of Hachaluu Hundessas weeks.
Hachaluu Hundessas was a prominent Ethiopian singer, songwriter, and activist whose life and work became deeply intertwined with the Oromo struggle for political and cultural rights. Born on June 10, 1985, in Ambo, Ethiopia, Hachaluu emerged as a voice for the Oromo people, Ethiopia's largest ethnic group, who have long faced marginalization and oppression. Early life and music career. Hachaluu showed musical talent from a young age and began his career in the early 2000s. His music was deeply rooted in the cultural and political experiences of the Oromo people, addressing themes of identity, rights, and the struggles of his community. He became known for his powerful lyrics, which often critiqued government policies and advocated for social justice.
Impact and influence. Hachaluu's music resonated deeply with the Oromo youth and the broader population, making him a symbol of resistance and hope. His songs, such as Malangira, What Existence Is Mine, became anthems for protests and movements advocating for Oromo rights. His popularity grew as he continued to release music that spoke directly to the experiences and aspirations of the
Role in the Oromo struggle. Hachaluu Hundessas' music played a crucial role in the Oromo protests that began in 2014 against the Ethiopian government's urban development plan known as the Addis Ababa Integrated Master Plan. His song Malangira, What Existence Is Mine, became an anthem for the protests, symbolizing the frustration and defiance of the Oromo people against perceived injustice. Notable songs. Here are some of Hachaluu Hundessas' notable songs. 1. Malangira. This song became synonymous with the Oromo protests and encapsulated the sentiments of the Oromo people questioning their place and rights within Ethiopian society. 2. Jira, a song that celebrates Oromo culture and identity, highlighting the beauty of Oromo traditions and values. 3. Sanyi Moody, addressing themes of struggle and perseverance. This song resonated with many who faced challenges in their daily lives. 4. Iricha, a song dedicated to the Iricha Festival, a significant cultural event for the Oromo people, celebrating Thanksgiving and renewal. 5. Hin Ruba Mu, an emotional ballad that reflects on the hardships faced by the Oromo community and calls for resilience. Tragic death and aftermath. On June 29, 2020, Hachaluu Hundessas was tragically assassinated in Addis Ababa, sparking widespread protests and unrest across Ethiopia. His death was met with shock and grief among the Oromo community and his supporters, who saw it as a targeted attack aimed at silencing dissent. The ensuing protests led to violent clashes and a crackdown by security forces, resulting in significant casualties and arrests. Legacy. Hachaluu's legacy continues to resonate in Ethiopia and beyond. His music remains popular among the Oromo diaspora and continues to inspire new generations of artists and activists. He is remembered not only for his artistic contributions, but also for his courage in speaking truth to power and his unwavering commitment to the struggle for Oromo rights and justice. As a summary, Hachaluu Hundessas was a pivotal figure in Ethiopian music and activism, whose life and tragic death brought international attention to the ongoing struggles of the Oromo people. His legacy as an artist and advocate continues to have a profound impact on the socio-political landscape of Ethiopia.